Another important tool of mesh menu, if you go in here, in a mesh menu, in a move, for moving the points and the objects in a slide, and the points and edges. Or you can add access to it in the right click here, or the tool is here if you're going edge mode. The first slide is sliding the point mode. You can, for example, as you can see, we have an curvature here on the objects. If you select it and then select the slide tool, here you can sliding the point exactly across its curvature of the objects. Okay, interesting. If you're holding down Control and then slide, you can merge the object and weld the points together. As you can see, you can slide the points exactly in on the topology of the object, and the topology of the object does not interrupt or changing. Okay, this is the first usage of that. Control Z to going back. Another mode is in an edge mode. If you go into the edge mode and double click, we have more sitting here. You can select it and then you can go on an edge and simply click and drag. Okay, as you can see, trying to make the trying to keep the curvature of the object, as you can see. Or you can double click on this edge, and as you can see, trying to make it the curvature object, because preserve the curvature. If you untick that, as you can see, it does not trying to keep that curvature of that edge. So always preserve the curvature. As you can see, there another things, the offset and the shift. Here is the offset. In the offset mode, you can go to the fixed distance. The fixed distance, as you can see, the offset is in a centimeter, and the proportional is in a percent. You can go, for example, 10% in this direction or 10% in that direction. And the limit, if you go and slide the two edge, as you can see, we can go off of that edge in before and after that, but always active the limit. It does not go in a border of these edges before and after this edge. For example, this loop edge is middle of this loop and this loop. It does not go further down. If you take clone, it's clone that, it's copy that object, that loop. If you want to copy that loop, you can turn it off, holding down Control, and you can copy that loop that you selected and keep the curvature. It's very interesting. As you can see, it's copy, preserving the curvature. Interesting. You can holding Shift and click and drag. You can holding Shift and click and drag to as you can see, this is a shift, extruding that loop that you want. So you can do a lot of things with the slide. And that's it. So you can hold Control, and or of course you can slide the single. You can select it, a single edge. As you can see, a slide exactly on topology of that object. But if you going and select in a regular mode, as you can see, we have a problem here. Suddenly move the object and you can drop the destroy the topology of the objects. So these objects, for example, in this curvature, how you can move that correctly? As you can see, you cannot move it correctly. In these situations, you have to use a slide tool. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.